Hello guys, happy Thursday. Anyway, quick look what I've been doing today. Ayan, at meron tayong orders. Ayan. Ato, I can say hi to all of you guys. I've been awake since this morning. Ang mukha natin haggard na haggard. But anyway, this is what I've been doing. And ang ginagawa ko ngayon, dahil i-mute natin to guys, kasi i-mute ko siya kasi baka maano tayo copyright. I just wanna share with you guys what I've been doing today. First, syempre busy tayo. Kasi nga, diba, magpo 4th of July tayo. We're gonna celebrate 4th of July here at Indiana, which is tomorrow yun. Tapos, today, I feel a little bit, I don't know, down. I feel a little bit, anong tawag dun? I feel down. I feel a little bit, lonely, or, I don't know. Maybe because sa music na pinapanood ko. Ayan. Pinapanood ko yung Sweet Notes. Ang alam ko, since nung last year, kasi ang lola ninyo nabaliw sa, pakita ko sa inyo saan ako nabaliw. Ayan. Nakikita nyo yan? Ayan. Nabaliw akong baliw talaga yun, no? Since na, kasi guys, ano nun, I was, 200, oh, no, oh my God, I think I was like 142 pounds. Yeah, I gained weights, kaya parang naging desperada tayo mag-workout. So, I've been using the hula hoop. Asan yung hula hoops? Ayan, yung hula hoops. Ginagamit ko siya pang workout. Tapos, habang nag-workout ako noon, nag-workout ako after ng before ng work. Yes. Tapos, habang nag-workout tayo, kailangan natin ng motivation, di ba? Kasi imagine nyo, 4 a.m. in the morning, nag-hula hoops lang ako. I try my best about 20 minutes hula hoop, di ba? Kasi syempre, nagdi-dream tayo ng medyo konting sexy, di ba? Anyway, ito yung pinapakinggan ko. See? Sweet Notes. Take note ha, hindi pa sila nung kasikatan. Kabuboom lang. Kasi nga siguro, para sa akin, sa opinion ko, last year, parang yung dumami yung mga vloggers. And ako nga, kakaano ko lang din, diba? Kakaumpisa ko lang din. Part na rin ako ng mga YouTube vloggers. So anyway, I just wanna share with you guys how I feel today, what I've been doing today. Na, yeah, I feel a little bit kinda depressed today, or emotional, I must say, emotional. I don't know. Kasi nga, gumagawa ako ng order ko ng macarons. I have order macarons and I have order of leche flan. And every time I'm doing something, I want some music. And ito yung paborito ko talaga sila. Sweet Notes. Hindi pa sila noon popular. And I'm happy for them. I'm happy for them and congrats sa kanila kasi millions na rin yung mga nila, yung mga views nila. Sana all. But anyway, yan ang ating ganap today. Gusto ko sana i-on no, para But anyway, pretty much lahat naman ng music nila I enjoy it. Emotional, yun ang mga bet kong mga music. But dahil nagbablog naman na tayo ngayon, bibigyan ko kayo ng quick pick. Quick pick tayo tungkol dun sa ating 4th of July fireworks. Punta tayo sa ayan. Daddy, you want more lights? No. Okay, you're good. So anyway, ito lang guys, quick pick kasi naman nagba-vlog na rin tayo, might as well isabay-sabay na natin. 'Di ba? Kung naaalala nyo yung pantry ko, Ito yung American pantry at saka mga baking pan ko. And doon, mga Pilipino. And nag-extra shelves ako. Ayan, mga baking crock pot. Anyway, don't bash me, okay? Kung makalat. Kaya nga tinawag na pantry eh. I come over here to share with you yung ginagawa niya. Kasi nga bukas, magse-celebrate kami ng Independence Day here in US. Honey, all US are all July the 4th, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. I know it's a dumb question, but I always want to make sure. Laki ng Amerika, I don't know. But anyway, ito po siya. One more quick pick. Ayan, ang lalaki ng mga ano niya. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Ayan, ayan. Tapos na tayo. So, anyway, yun ang quick pick natin today. At i-share ko lang sa inyo habang ako ay nag-emote. Nag-emote. Itong forma natin today. Nanay na nanay tayo today. So, anyway, nag-enjoy kasi ako sa sa papakinig. Oh my God, yung order. Teka, tignan natin guys. Naku, sana hindi pa nasunog. Say hi to Jason. Hi, Jason. Ito guys, yung ano pala. Ayan yung bake ko. Last batch na yan. Tapos, ito yung order nating leche. Ayan. So, I think that's it guys. Wait nyo yung vlog ko sa 4th of July. And thank you for watching and supporting my channel. I know I look tired and exhausted. Wala nga akong lipstick eh. I just put lipstick for you guys. Kasi mukha akong haggard. But anyway, that's all. Thank you. If you're not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.